If you're a homeowner in Sterling Heights considering a roof installation, you're about to make a significant investment in your property's safety, value, and comfort. Whether your current roof is aging, damaged, or simply not performing well, a new roof can transform your home's appearance and boost its energy efficiency. But before the first shingle is laid, it's important to understand the entire process, from preparation to material selection to final inspection. This guide walks you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision and ensure a smooth roof installation experience. Understanding the importance of roof replacement. Sterling Heights sees its fair share of unpredictable weather, heavy snowfall in winter, spring rains, and hot summer days. Over time, these conditions take a toll on your roof. Curling shingles, leaks, granule loss, and sagging are telltale signs that your roof is nearing the end of its life. Replacing your roof before major issues arise can save you thousands in interior repairs and protect your family from structural hazards like mold or rot. Choosing the right roofing material. The roofing material you choose will impact your home's durability, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Some popular options in Sterling Heights include asphalt shingles, cost-effective, durable, and available in a wide range of colors. These are ideal for most residential homes. Metal roofing. Known for longevity, up to 50 years or more, metal roofs are weather-resistant and energy-efficient. Slate and tile. These offer a luxurious appearance and unmatched durability, though they come with a higher price tag and may require structural reinforcement. Wood shakes. Offering a rustic charm, wood roofs are beautiful but need more maintenance and are less fire-resistant. When selecting materials, consider not only aesthetics but also the local climate, the pitch of your roof, and your long-term maintenance preferences. Finding a reliable roofing contractor. Partnering with the right contractor is arguably the most critical step in the roof installation process. In Sterling Heights, look for contractors who are licensed and insured in Michigan, offer local references and a strong portfolio, provide detailed estimates and warranties, are certified by manufacturers, e.g., GAF, Owens Corning. A reputable contractor will inspect your existing roof, discuss options, and explain the installation process clearly before any work begins. The roof installation process. A typical roof installation in Sterling Heights follows these steps. Initial inspection and estimate. A roofing professional evaluates the roof's condition and provides a cost estimate. Permitting. Most roofing projects require a permit from the City of Sterling Heights. A good contractor will handle this. Tear off. The old roofing materials are removed down to the decking. Decking inspection and repairs. Damaged or rotting wood is replaced to provide a stable base. Installation of underlayment. This waterproof barrier protects against leaks and ice dams. Shingle or material installation. The chosen roofing material is installed according to manufacturer guidelines. Clean-up and final inspection. Debris is removed, and the finished roof is inspected for quality and code compliance. Cost considerations. Roof installation costs vary based on size, slope, material, and labor. In Sterling Heights, the average cost ranges from $6,000 to $15,000 for asphalt shingles, while premium options like metal or slate can reach $20,000 or more. It's wise to get multiple quotes and understand exactly what's included: tear off, disposal, labor, warranties, and materials. Final tips for Sterling Heights homeowners: schedule installation during milder seasons, spring or early fall, to avoid weather delays. Ask about ventilation upgrades, which can extend your roof's life. Review warranty terms, both for the materials and the labor. Keep a maintenance plan in mind. Even new roofs require periodic inspections, especially after severe weather. A new roof is more than just a home improvement. It's a long-term investment in your comfort, safety, and property value. By understanding the key steps and local considerations for Sterling Heights, you'll be well prepared to make the right decisions for your home.